Cut the plastic zip ties and open the lock on the wooden crate. Open the top lid of the wooden crate. Get the machine and its accessories out. Remove the sticker. Remove the screw of the yellow buckle. Remove the fixed buckle. Loosen the 2 front screws. Install the tray. Then tighten the screws to secure it. Install the roll film rod and black knob. Note that the film should be close to the printer's print head side, otherwise, the printed pattern may not be complete on the film. Make sure the film is under the 2 iron sheets, and leave a gap of about 3 mm on both sides. Before ink filling, power on the machine, and install the printer driver and RIP software to test the machine's performance.